In this video, you'll learn how to turn off dark mode in Notion. This guide will take you through the steps needed to switch to light mode. Ensure a brighter interface for your workspace. Begin by navigating to Notion in your preferred web browser or application. Once you are on the Notion homepage, sign into your account using your credentials. After signing in, locate the sidebar menu on the left side of the screen. Click on the 3 horizontal lines at the top left corner if the sidebar is not already visible. This action will expand the sidebar, allowing you to access various options. Next, look for the settings gear icon, usually located towards the bottom of the sidebar. Click on this icon to open the settings menu. Within this menu, find the section labeled Appearance. Click on it, and you should see options related to themes. Make sure you are in the theme settings area where you can see your current theme selection. This ensures you are ready to make the necessary adjustments to your theme. After confirming your location in the theme settings, look for the option labeled Light Mode. Click on this option to switch from dark mode to light mode. The change should apply immediately, and you will notice the interface update automatically to a brighter theme. Take a moment to check the readability across different pages and ensure that the brightness settings are comfortable for your needs. This step effectively disables dark mode. Once you've switched to light mode, it is important to confirm that the change has been applied consistently throughout the application. Navigate through a few pages to ensure that the light mode remains active. If you notice any inconsistencies, consider restarting the Notion app to refresh the settings. Additionally, you may want to adjust your device's brightness settings if the interface is still not comfortable for prolonged use. This final check ensures that your theme preferences are saved and correctly applied. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.